a third CME because I've seen it on SDO.
Wait for it.
Here in a minute, but what bothers me is this is on the SOHO, and that satellite's out in front of the Earth, also looking at the sun. Then we have SDO looking at the sun in front of us, also. Both of those satellites, miles and miles apart from each other, they're not updating right now. Neither one of them.
Not updating.
Now we're getting this solar storm. Sometimes they will kick into safe mode to protect itself. They don't have a magnetosphere to protect them like we do. So sometimes these things are programmed to go into safe mode when they start experiencing certain conditions. So both of these satellites may be doing that because we are getting a solar storm hitting Earth. But it is kind of odd that they both just no data. And I'll show you something else here too that's really, really interesting that plays along with what I just said.
There you go. I'm going to pause it.
Okay guys, this is a CME tracker. Now you guys, and I take you guys here all the time. When we get CMEs, this is really, it gives us a more definite answer that if those are going to hit us. Well, where's the CMEs at? They're not there. And this thing only updates when it sees a CME. So yesterday when I looked at this thing, it had a small CME from like the 23rd it was showing. And it was really, really weak. It looked like it was going to go south of us anyway. If we were going to experience any conditions.
So system hiding data.
Very, very minor.
Again.
Okay. But what's crazy is that updated on the 23rd. Now follow me here. On August 23rd. So it would show you when that CME started, and it would go forward a certain amount of days. Usually like 7 days. Because it tries to show you where that ends up in our inner solar system. Okay?
So it's not just on the earthquake sites, is it?
Well, why we're not seeing those CMEs? Well, why did they post a time lapse that started on the 31st of July and goes to like the 9th or 10th of August? 2 weeks ago, guys. Just yesterday I looked at this and the starting point was on the 23rd of August. So why are they going backwards? It's really strange. At the same time that we're getting these bigger CMEs and a solar storm, and 2 other satellites are now not updating. Too much to be a coincidence, guys. My opinion, but that's what I'm going to
Is
say.
the energy actually affecting the satellites now, or is it them that's turning the satellites off so the public can't see the energy coming in to the planet? Because it's all about control, isn't it? So you've got to look at this objectively.
And then you got this stupid thing that reverted back 2 weeks before current time frame. Why? It's just too strange, man. And again, this is the one we use to see what the CMEs even coming at us. So this is the one that would show us.
Because the system is desperate to stop
2 or 3 days. It's really, really strange.
someone finding out if there is energy coming that can be accessed when it's grounded, right?
That's just me, guys. Again,
Cut off the information then.
you guys know I don't.
But it doesn't stop the energy getting here, does it?
So we really just gonna have to pay attention here for the next few days or whatever's going on. Hopefully this thing will update and we'll get a more
Energy's still here, isn't it?
of those CMEs.
Can still be accessed by a slider.
Hit by one of those CMEs right now, I would probably say yes, because they're just not wanting us to see it. It could be big enough or more dense enough that we could have like electrical issues or something. I don't know.
Electrical issues.
That's going to happen. I'm just saying all this other stuff combined, when you look at the whole picture here, it's really odd. Like I said, I want to reiterate.
Things that make you go,
SDO,
eh?